Thank you, Divya Kanwar. Next, I would like to welcome Janani. She is multi-talented girl of my class. She dressed up as an ambulance. They safely take patients to hospitals on time. Welcome, Janani.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Janani. I'm studying in LKG in Ignition Primary School. Can you hear the sound? Yes, me. Yes, I am an ambulance. I am emergency vehicle. I'm carrying sick day into the people to the hospital quickly. If you need me, call me on the 08 number. I am available 24/7. When you see me on the road, please stop. Give me way. Don't cross the road because every second is very important. I'm proud to be an ambulance because I'm safe every day. Thank you and have a safe and healthy day.